Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, because why walk when you can fly? On the left, we have the VISNEE newest drone, and on the right, the DROCON drone. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a high-flying adventure. Helicopter. First up, let's talk about the price. The VISNEE drone is a steal at just $59. Reviewers love the affordability, comparing it to the cost of a fancy dinner date. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is priced at $109. Some reviewers feel that for this price, it should offer more advanced features. Now, on to the camera quality. The VISNEE drone boasts a 2K HD camera with a 90 degrees manual adjustment. Reviewers appreciate its ability to capture decent photos and videos, but note that it lacks an electronic stabilizer, affecting image quality. The DROCON drone offers a 1080p HD camera also with a 90 degrees adjustment. While the camera quality is not top-notch, reviewers still find it functional for casual use. Flight time is crucial when you're trying to impress your friends or spy on your neighbors. Just kidding, don't do that. The VISNEE drone comes with 2 batteries that give you a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flight time. The DROCON drone offers 24 minutes with its 2 batteries. While not as long, reviewers still find it satisfactory for most activities. Ease of use is next. The VISNEE has 1-button takeoff and landing and 3 speed modes, making it the perfect gift for beginners. Reviewers say it's so easy to use that even a child can handle it. DROCON also caters to newbies with headless mode, altitude hold, and an emergency stop button. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features, making it a great option for beginners as well. Let's talk features. The VISNEE drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has 1-key takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, 360 degrees flips, and automatic obstacle avoidance. Reviewers are impressed with its comprehensive feature set. The DROCON drone isn't far behind with voice control, gesture recognition, custom path flight, and gravity sensing mode. Reviewers find these smart features very appealing. Last but not least, portability. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. The DROCON drone weighs less than 249 grams, making it lighter than your average burrito. Reviewers appreciate the lightweight design, especially for travel. The VISNEE drone is also praised for its portability, making it easy to take on the go. Overall, the VISNEE newest drone is praised for its affordability, extended flight time, and comprehensive features, although some users experienced quality issues. The DROCON drone is appreciated for its smart features, user-friendly design, and lightweight build, but has mixed reviews on durability and camera quality. So there you have it, folks. The VISNEE newest drone versus the DROCON drone. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like your favorite superheroes. Which one will you choose? Drop your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Happy flying, smart shoppers! Helicopter.